Fluorine-contaminated water sources pose a serious threat to human health everywhere in the world. Contamination is mainly caused by modern industrial processes that use fluorine-based chemicals. These include coal mining, aluminum smelting, printing and dyeing processes, electronics, semiconductor manufacturing, concrete parts production, steel industry, and liquid crystal display (LCD) manufacturing. The typical concentration of fluorine in the wastewater discharged by electrical and electronics companies equals 300 to 4,500 mg per liter, by semiconductor and display manufacturing facilities 300 to 1,200 mg per liter, and by the steel industry 6,500 to 130,000 mg per liter. Considering the overall global growth of key industrial sectors, in particular, those engaged in semiconductors, electrical and electronic equipment, and steel, all of them show an upward trend. The use of fluorine proportionally increases, which leads to generation of large amounts of fluorine-containing wastewater. The main methods of fluorine-containing wastewater treatment include a chemical method and a sorption method. The chemical method involves the use of the following chemical agents: lime, calcium, magnesium, and lead. Among the chemicals listed above, calcium compounds, in particular, industrial lime, are the most effective fluorine precipitants, as they form calcium fluoride, which has a solubility in water of just 15.6 mg per liter. This chemical reaction allows reducing the fluorine content to a level that meets public health regulations. The process is advantageous due to fluorine removal, because it offers a low power consumption, a reasonably simple design, and easy operation. However, the use of chemical agents has its disadvantages. During the treatment process, there usually occurs an overconsumption of chemical agents, which means the actual contamination of effluents with other chemicals. In addition, the excessive use of chemicals in combination with a large volume of wastewater leads to generation of waste in great amounts, which adversely affects the treatment efficiency and creates a risk of secondary contamination. The other treatment method, the sorption method, involves the use of special sorbents that can retain fluorine ions on their surface. However, the solubility of fluoride compounds, even in this case, may make it difficult to completely remove fluorine from water. Based on this, GlobeCore has developed an innovative technology for improving the efficiency of fluorine-containing wastewater treatment, which is implemented in AVS vortex layer machines. A vortex layer machine operates on the continuous treatment principle for the wastewater coming from production workshops. The outgoing wastewater first enters the balancing tank wherein the uniformity of its composition is achieved. Next, the prepared lime milk is fed from the lime slaker into the supply tank. The balanced wastewater is fed into the vortex layer machine using a pump. At the same time, the lime milk is fed by means of a dosing pump. While in operation, the vortex layer machine ensures rapid mixing and dispersion, as well as electromagnetic processing, which facilitates the defluorination and conversion of phosphates into water-insoluble compounds. The treatment takes 1 to 3 seconds, after which the wastewater is transferred to a clarification tank. The consumption of wastewater and lime milk is monitored by flow meters, and the pH level of wastewater, by pH meters. Owing to this treatment flowchart, the machine reduces the fluorine content of treated wastewater up to 1.5 mg per liter, with an initial value of up to 1,500 mg per liter, which indicates a high treatment efficiency. It is reasonable to use lime as a chemical agent with the consumption of calcium oxide excess at a rate of 5 to 10% against the theoretical one. The use of vortex layer machines and wastewater defluorination processes will allow reducing the chemical agent's consumption due to the rapid and more complete course of chemical reactions, decreasing the electricity consumption due to a low power consumption. Depending on the model, a vortex layer machine consumes from 4.5 to 9.5 kilowatts, narrowing down the production floor space, improving the quality of wastewater treatment, and arranging the recirculation cycles for water resource management at enterprises. And what kind of equipment do you use for fluorine-containing wastewater treatment? Share your experience of using this equipment in the comments section. More information on the GlobeCore technology and equipment for fluorine-containing wastewater treatment can be found by following the link in the first comment or visiting our website, www.globecore.com.